Okay, so today we are trying to flatten, I'll point with my pointer, this board right across there. Wow, that made a huge difference already. Yeah. So those are our built up bucks. There we go. That's the word I was looking for. These are our built up bucks. So this is 2x6 of treated lumber cut at an angle with the angles pointed to where the concrete will catch inside of there. So it's like a dovetail. And then they're screwed and glued onto this Advantech to make up our buck. Well, green wood, green treated lumber warps like crazy because it's so wet, and these were just bent like crazy. Here, I can show you this one. This is with a strong back on it, and you can see that it's an inch down in the middle right there probably. And this one was actually bent worse than that. We tried doing 2x4s with a strong back and it just wasn't enough. It kept bending our 2x4s. So we got a 2x6, and I got these to put on our rafter tails. These are 8-inch screws. They will go all the way through the 2x6, which you just saw. And then we're using those 2x4s to, because they're still too long, they take out some of the length. And then if we have to, we can always shim it someplace, but I don't think we're gonna have to. That looked really good. We're gonna do this inside and out, so we'll actually have two 2x6s holding that. And then once we get that done, we can put on some bracing down to the edge here. I can't go straight down to the bottom because this is gonna be fresh concrete when we pour the floor, while this, wrong way, come on. Sorry, there we go. While this is still wet because we're doing it the same day, so we have to brace the middle here, either down to the side of the wall. Wow, I'm all over the place. Down to the side of the wall or out to the outside right there. So that's what we're trying to get done. All right. Oh, not bad. That'll take out in just the screw, I think. Oh.
Just not sure where we're at down that way.
So it looks like we're right on here. And if we're right on here and right on there, that's all we care about, right?
Yeah.
I mean, ultimately.
She's whining too. What's she whining about?
Because we can't change these now.
That's probably me.
I'm gonna climb up here and see what we got.
Sure.
We gotta turn that back on. Okay, good morning, YouTube. Well, we are, so the plugs that I made the other day to try to do the I-beam, we are putting those in. So here we are at the top of the wall. There's the plug. And we are trying to set it into this hole. Then we'll strap across it with 2x4s running that way. I can't point because I'm holding on to the ladder and I'm not letting go. And so, yeah, that's basically what we're trying to get done today. So here we go. The styrofoam.
You're in the way.
Huh?
You're in the way. Alright, go on there. Go on there. Probably not quite on. That just
Okay.
gets us the
We can
key.
do this too.
That's fine, because this is
that
a
enough?
solid block. The handheld. That one just came popped right out. Oh, not that one. No.
go make a metal bracket.
All right,
Okay,
we are trying
back to reality.
Here is the plug that's going in the wall for the I-beam. So we'll have a 3-inch bearing plate. Well, I want this to screw onto the bottom, nail onto the bottom. Nails would be better because then it'll pull easier. Yeah, we'll do nails. Nail onto the bottom of this, and then I'll put rebar spikes on the bottom so that it'll set into the concrete. And then that will set into the concrete, and when we pull the styrofoam and wood out, then we'll have a metal plate that the I-beam can rest on and weld to. So that's what we're doing. Slope is go uphill. These are cut at a side angle, 2.5 degrees. There you go. Okay.
Like a glove.
Okay. And then we have little dots from the forms on the back, and that's how we're getting it plumb, and it's plumb enough. At least it's plumb enough.
Plumb enough.
And then we get it lined up on those dots. Hold it with the 2x4 while Dan puts another screw in. Ta-da! Okay. Every 2 feet.
What the hell?
No more washers though.
Nope. Second catch right there.
Yep. Okay. I'd rather be able to shim under it than have it be short, so let's do that.